Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Tech Suburb. It's been very long since I've uploaded a video. Sincere apologies for that. But today I'm very much excited as I'm going to unbox a package from Croma. I received this package today morning and I can't wait to unbox it. Let's have the package and see what's inside of it. Here's the package and as we can see it's the Airpods Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the unboxing. I have my cutter with me and let's start tearing this package apart. As you see in the package, we see the brand new Airpods Pro. Also I have this invoice and as you can see the price at which I bought this Airpods Pro is 16,499. I must say this was a crazy deal. The box feels very heavy in the hand. At the front of the box we have the Airpods logo and it is kind of embossed or slightly raised. At the left we see the actual pricing and the manufacturer details. The actual price mentioned on the box is 26,300 but on Chroma's website it was available at a very huge discount. At the bottom it shows with which Apple devices these AirPods are compatible with. At the right there is this Apple logo and at the top there's this branding. Yes, these AirPods are MagSafe compatible but unfortunately we won't be able to test that. Let's unbox this tiny beast. Taking the top lid off, the first thing we see is the instructions leaflet. All the user manual stuff. I might be required to refer to this for the first time, but we'll see. Going further inside is the Airpods Pro along with its charging case and it feels so cute with rounded edges. Also the case feels heavy, I must say. I can feel the difference. Definitely. Going further in, we get this ear tips and a standard Apple charging cable which is a Type-C to Lightning cable. Let's keep all of these things to the side and concentrate on the Airpods Pro. Let's try pairing it with the iPhone. Just opening the case gives the prompt to pair it with the iPhone. Let me pair these. These AirPods feel very premium in the hand and they certainly have some weight to it. I'll play some music on this, but first I need to wear them. Okay, whoa. As soon as I wore it, I could feel that the surrounding noise was suppressed. There was AC on while recording this video. I thought that my AC turned off. Then I realized it was noise cancellation that was happening. I'm going to play Pasuri cause that's top of my playlist as of now and enjoy the music.
अगलावा मजबूरी नू आन जान दी पसूड़ी नू जहर बने हाँ तेरी पी जावा मैं पूरी नू आना सी यो नहीं आया दिल बांग बांग मेरा टकराया कागा बोल के दस जावे पावा क्यों दी चूरी नू रावा च बावा च ओनू लुकावा कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे ढोल जुदाइया दी तेनू खबर किवें
I'm going to pause at this moment. I'm going to explore other options for this AirPods. So as of now the active noise cancellation was turned on by default. I'm going to switch to transparency mode. In transparency mode the AirPods actually amplify the surrounding sound a bit in your ears. Turning it off would play the sound the way you would hear on normal earphones. I'm going to enjoy the song a bit and meanwhile you guys also enjoy it.
मेरे ढोल जुदाइया दी तेनू खबर किवें होवे आ जाए दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे आ बनिया बनाइया दी गल बात किवें होवे आ जाए दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे.
Let's look at this charging case. At the back we have this button for pairing, and at the front is the LED indicator that indicates whether the AirPods are charging or they are low on battery. At the bottom is the lightning port for charging the case. Talking about the gestures available on this AirPods, there are a couple of them. Press once to play pause, double press to skip forward, triple press to skip back, press and hold to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Also, it supports the Hey Siri phrase and Siri pops up on the iPhone. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, also subscribe to the channel for more such content. This is Pratik signing off.